You went to DCC.
I went to DCC.
You did not. You did not.
You guys are losers.
That was a very.
Oh.
Yeah.
You went to
No.
nobody else.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry, Zach.
We were there.
Tyler,
We were there.
you are.
Like,
Hey, no, Steve,
Everybody
you never
everybody
did.
make fun of me. That's awesome.
Tyler.
Are you filming?
Yes. Max, get out of there.
You always.
Tyler, hurry up. So the laughing was good. Let's keep it down a little bit so we can communicate. That witch cackling.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're recording.
We are recording.
We can pretty much just get you like laughing the whole time.
No.
Yeah, we
Hey,
could.
guys.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep laughing.
It's not funny.
We're recording.
And
It's a
roll.
very inappropriate show if you think about it. Like, it's not cool at all.
Inappropriate.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, so SpongeBob SquarePants.
How would you make it?
It's not cool.
No, it
It's
is.
really inappropriate. You should actually talk this time.
Yeah.
And we're rolling.
Yeah. Yeah, like, come on, just say something.
You're not like him.
Why don't you just say?
Yeah.
Like,
Just
say
say
something.
something.
Come on, just
Oh, hey
say.
guys.
Yeah, come on.
That guy.
Come on,
We want you to talk. We want you to
Yeah,
talk.
yeah.
Yeah.
Come on,
This
yeah.
is part of
We
the
want you to talk.
conversation.
Come on.
Go.
Go.
I like him walking away in the darkness.
Just keep walking. Just don't stop.
Should we shut the line off on the other end?
No, we need it. Just keep walking. Go down the stairs.